Pregnant? Call Jane. That's what ads in Chicago in the late 1960s and early 70s said. The secret group of women, the Janes, helped people get the abortions they needed.
Not only was there the need, but there was a philosophical obligation on our part, on somebody's part, to disrespect a law that disrespected women.
In 1969, a group of women in Chicago came together to help women, regardless if they could afford it or not, make a choice. Whatever they wanted to do, they supported, whether it meant deciding to keep their pregnancy or seek an abortion. At this point, abortion was widely illegal in pretty much all states under most circumstances. This group took out ads in the newspaper that encouraged women to call Jane for help. Eventually, the women of Jane learned to perform the procedures themselves, performing an estimated 11,000 abortions on those who needed it. The Janes were there for women when no one else was. Remember, marital rape wasn't considered rape. Birth control was difficult to get unless you were over 21 or married. This was a time when women had few options. In 1972, police raided one of their sites, and 7 Janes were arrested and charged with 11 counts of abortion and conspiracy to commit abortion, which was punishable by up to 110 years in prison. But their lawyer knew of a right to privacy case set to go to the Supreme Court, featuring an anonymous woman from Texas named Jane Roe at its center. Roe v. Wade, you've probably heard of it. If all went well, the charges against the Janes would be dropped, and that's exactly what happened. What these women did, risking their freedom and livelihood to provide a service for their community, is beyond courageous and something we should remember. I'll leave you with the words of one woman who was both a patient and a member of the Janes.
It's revolutionary, though. The idea that women, anyone, regular people, can seize control of their lives.